Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center here out of Greeley, Colorado. Got a beauty here today. This is Redfire and Diamond White. Redfire Metallic and Diamond White. Two of my favorite colors. We just did technically Peterbilt calls this a custom paint job because you have to send in what you want it to look like. So just real basic, real simple. I'm sure plenty of you guys out there have seen this before. It just gives it a long, low look. Really pretty. Just a beautiful color. It's a 2022 Peterbilt 389, the 72-inch flat top sleeper, 280-inch wheelbase. Let's see if we can. This is definitely one of my favorite colors. Just love it. Redfire effect. Logo. She is just beautiful. And diamond white. It's harder to see the metallic in there, but this one's going to Blake Burgess, Spearman, Texas. Thank you, Blake. We appreciate the business. Michelin XZE2s up front, 11R22.5s, and we got the round hole wheels. Air-ride steer axle. It's an owner-operator spec truck. Master disconnect there. Medium def tank. 110 polish tank on this side. We did the access steps on this one, so we got the toolbox access steps. It gives you the catwalk there. The downside is you have to get these handles. I like them without the handles, but then you lose the deck plate and the toolbox. Back a sleeper CV antenna and a logger mounted radio antenna. Got the full length door here. Storage underneath your bed that's fully accessible from the inside. Esbar heater. And we got a sliding rear window for some ventilation. That's how you tell it's got an esbar heater. That's the little exhaust tube there. Peterbilt Low Air-Leaf suspension. Hogebuilt 30-inch drop quarter fenders. Michelin XDN2s on the back. 11R22.5s. You guys really like these tires. Really good luck with them. We do disc brakes all the way around on these. And full lockers. You can tell that's that airlock right there. So we got the full lockers. I like putting the lights up in the rear cross member. Very clean look. It keeps them out of the way. They don't get snow and ice all packed in them. 336 gears. It's a passenger side access step. And I always put jump posts back a sleeper back here. You can use those to jump another truck. You can use them to start a pony motor on a lowboy, something, whatever you need. 150-gallon polished tank on this side. Here's the goofy lights that the government makes Peterbilt put on. You can take those off. I cannot. Totally up to you. Whoever did polishing on the after treatment had a good day. One thing we do here, not a lot, but some other guys don't do, is these new Aero Mirrors. There's no place to put another light on here, turn signal or anything like that, but they are super functional. They're very quiet, very easy to use. I really like them. In this one we did the 2 extra cab lights for a total of 7. Standard grille. Take a look. Cummins X15. This one's a 605 2050 torque. Air-ride steer axle. Disc brakes. A 13,200 pound steer axle is what it is. I love that. You can see that rib right down the middle of the hood. Just love that. Nice view when you're sitting in the seat. It's got remote lube. So it's got 4 airbags total. It's got dual leveling valves, 1 on each side. Davco 382 fuel filter. And, oh, I'm sorry. It's a 565 2050. Thought it was the 605, but same engine, just a different software setting. However, now with Cummins, the way the EPA is making them rate their engines, if it's born a 565, it's got to stay a 565. So it cannot be changed. Once it's out of warranty, she can't be changed to a 605, which is what we always used to do. Can't do that anymore. Okay. Get that shot. Take a look at the inside. Platinum interior. Artic Gray. Sears seats. In black. Fire this one up. Full gauge package, as full as we can get it, with full lockers and separate switches for each locker. So you can, a lot of times you can get an extra gauge here. So instead of having a full 23 gauge package, we have what they call a 21 gauge package. All your gauges here, plus all your gauges here. So that's as full as we can get. 18 speed, beautiful interior, factory installed CB, drop visor, air horn, train horn. We got the extra speaker for the CV, and then this is your stereo. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and also heated mirrors right there. The only downside to the Sears seats, they're very, very comfortable. The downside is there doesn't leave a lot of room between here. So it's ample room, but you can tell it's much more narrow. It's nice when these fold up and behind. Gives you a lot more room. Can't do that with the Sears seats. A closet on the driver's side. There's our control panel back here. There's the light, esbar heater, 12 volt outlet is what we call that now. I guess you can still use the cigarette lighter. And we can turn on that alarm clock. And turn on the AC for the rear. This one also has a closet on the right hand side. Place for TV, a couple of power outlets. You can see the split window there. So half of that screen, so it opens. And we did the outboard. I forgot to mention we did the outboard mount fifth wheel back there. So just thought I would share this with you. Just make sure I shut everything off. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts. Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. There's the look down the hood. Beautiful truck. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, thanks, Blake. We appreciate it. I'm sure you'll see this one this evening. I was going to see what the weight was. This truck weighs, well, oh, here it is. They moved it. Truck weighs 18,511 right there. 18,511 pounds. So just thought I'd share that one with you. You can give me a shout at 970-691-3877. Take care. Thank you.